Welcome to Lanton Law. My name is Ron Lanton, principal at Lanton Law. And what I wanted to do today is do a micro webinar on pharmacy benefit managers. Specifically, this webinar is titled Upcoming FTC Comment Period on Pharmacy Benefit Managers. So what I'll do is I'll show my screen here and then we can get started. Well, as you're watching this micro webinar, which is just a real quick couple of minutes here, just about a hot topic that's happening in the industry, which is pharmacy benefit managers, I wanted to give you this quick disclosure. And the disclosure basically says that this information that you're receiving does not form a attorney-client relationship between Lanton Law and you. But if you are interested in forming one, we do have our contact slide at the end, which tells you how to get a hold of us. So let me tell you a little bit about my firm. So at Lanton Law, we're an innovative firm focused on client goals. We have over 25 years of combined government affairs and legal experience. We understand your industry, and we act as an extension of you. We are a national boutique law and lobbying firm, and we provide regulatory and government affairs services to stakeholders in healthcare and life sciences, technology, and clean energy. So specifically what we're talking about today in this micro webinar, FTC is requesting public comments on PBMs, otherwise known as pharmacy benefit managers. Now, PBM business practices and transparency has been problematic for quite some time, and it's a good thing that the FTC is looking for public comment about their business practices. So what are they looking for specifically? Well, below there are a few issues. First, potential conflicts of interest and anti-competitive effects arising from horizontal and vertical consolidation of PBMs with insurance companies, specialty pharmacies, and providers. Two, they're looking for the impact of PBM rebates and fees on net drug prices to patients, employers, and other payers. And lastly, PBM's use of potentially unfair, deceptive, or anti-competitive contract terms and all related practices when calculating pharmacy reimbursements and disbursements. Now, if you're looking at this list and you're a retail pharmacy or a specialty pharmacy or a long-term care pharmacy or an infusion suite, home infusion provider, you're probably saying to yourself, this list is not exhaustive, and it's not really supposed to be. These are just a couple things the FTC is looking for, but if you have more ideas to add to this, the FTC would be very interested to learn that as well. And what's nice is that the FTC has extended its comment period to May 25th of this year. So how can Lanton Law help you? Well, as I mentioned, we are a national boutique healthcare and life sciences firm. We give clients legal and lobbying options, and our pharmacy practice helps pharmacies with the following issues: mergers and acquisitions, regulatory and payer inquiries like audits, which happen all the time, PBM contract and network issues. If you're having a problem getting into a network or you're having a problem enforcing a contract term within your PBM agreement, we definitely will get involved with that. We also deal with HR issues, and we deal with pharmacy licensure. So I hope you enjoyed our micro webinar on PBMs and the FTC comment period that's here. Here's our contact information, and we look forward to speaking with you and working with you to make sure that your priorities are advanced and your goals are achieved. Thank you very much for listening.